Suppose there are two vectors, vector A and vector B, and if vector B is to be added in vector A, then we will write vector A plus vector B, means what? A vector B to vector A. How we will perform this operation? This is first vector. This is second vector. Keep the position of first vector to be fixed and shift the second vector. How? Shift the second vector in such a way that tail of vector B comes above the head of vector A. And what will be resultant vector? The resultant vector will be a vector of line joining tail of vector A to head of vector B. This we will see in the graph. Let's see over here. This is vector A. This is vector B. We have to add vector B to vector A. For adding vector B to vector A, let's shift vector B. Now we are shifting vector B. Vector B has been shifted from this place to this place. Like this. Now again shift vector B from this place to downward in such a way that tail of vector B comes above the head of vector A. Like this. This is vector B which we have shifted. And what will be resultant vector? The resultant vector of vector A and vector B will be a line joining tail of vector A to head of vector B. This is represented by this figure. This is R vector. R vector equal to what? Vector A plus vector B. So whenever two vectors are to be added, what you have to do? You have to simply shift the second vector in such a way that tail of second vector comes above the head of first vector. And what will be resultant vector? The resultant vector will be a vector of line joining tail of first vector to head of second vector. One important thing about vector addition is that vector addition obeys commutative law. Means what? Vector A plus vector B remains equal to vector B plus vector A. So, while adding two vectors, either you can shift second vector or you can shift first vector. It doesn't matter because vector addition obeys commutative law.